How to put NGL link on Facebook story with picture. So if you want to put NGL link on Facebook story with the picture, then first open up your Play Store application and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Go for the search and search for NGL and make sure to install the NGL application. If you don't have the application, go and install, and it may take some time to install the application. So just wait for 1 or 2 minutes till it gets installed, and once it gets installed you can tap on open, which is on the right side. So once you've installed the application, tap and open up your NGL application. Once you've opened, tap on get started, and now you can choose Instagram, Twitter or Snapchat. So I'll be choosing Instagram, and you need to enter the username of your Instagram. And once you tap on continue, you can add your photo or you can skip this part. And now you need to tap on allow, and here you will have copy your link option, right? So simply tap on copy link, which is the first step, and the second step is to share this link on your story. So what you need to do is just simply go for your Facebook story or your Instagram story, wherever you like. So if you have linked your Instagram and Facebook together, then you can add it to your Instagram and it will be automatically added to your Facebook. But if you have not added, then you just need to open up your Facebook separately and go for your story. And now you can choose a picture that you would like to add to your story. Once you've chosen, now here you will have a links option. So if you have link option, then simply go for the link and add a link to your story. But you may not find the link option on your Facebook. So what you need to do is just simply go back from your Facebook story and open up your Instagram application. And now go for your story, which is on the upper left. And once you've chosen the story, now go for the upper right, which has that stickers option. Tap on the stickers, and then here you will have link option. Tap on link and then paste that link and tap on done, and here you will have your link. So you can simply adjust the link, and now you can go for the arrow, which is on the bottom right, and here you will have add to Facebook story option. So if you tap on share, which is on the bottom, then it will add to your Instagram and Facebook at the same time. So that's how you can put the NGL link on your Facebook story with the picture. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.